On this question, we have an application problem for exponential equations. It says typically weekly sales will drop off rather quickly after the end of an advertising campaign. This drop in sales is known as sales decay. Suppose that the gross sales S in hundreds of dollars of a certain product is given by the exponential function S of t equals 8,000 times 6 to the negative 0.9 t, where t is the number of weeks at the end of the campaign. Answer the following questions. What was the level of sales immediately after the end of the campaign when t equals 0? I'd also like to know what was the level of sales 1 week and also 5 weeks after the end of the campaign. So this function, S of t equals 8,000, 6 to the 0.9 t, is modeling the sales at a given time. So the first question is, what were the sales immediately after the end of the campaign when t equals 0? So we'll use our model with t equals 0 and get 8,000 times 6 to the negative 0.9 times 0. This is 8,000 times 6 to the 0 power. 6 to the 0 power is 1, and 8,000 times 1 is 8,000. So the sales are 8,000, and remember, our sales are in hundreds of dollars, so it's actually an additional 3 zeros on there, so we have a sales of 8 million at the end of the advertising campaign. And then if we want to find out what the sales were 1 week after the campaign ended, we're going to let t equal 1, since t is the number of weeks after the end of the campaign. So we'll find S of 1 to be 8,000 times 6 to the negative 0.9 times 1. And this one we're going to type in our calculator because it would be a little difficult otherwise. So we have 8,000 times 6 to the negative 0.9 times 1. So that's quite a steep drop off. We have 1,594.97. I think I added one too many zeros onto this one here. Hundreds, I should have added 2 zeros and not 3 zeros. So let me correct that. So that should be $800,000 in sales. And if I transform this into hundreds of dollars, that's going to be $159,497. And then if we want to find out what the level of sales are 5 weeks later, we're going to let t equal 5 and calculate S of t to be 8,000 times 6 to the negative 0.9 times 5. And I'll use this nice feature in my calculator. I can do second and hit enter, and that's going to give me the previous thing that I typed. And I'm going to go edit just that one number to be a 5. So this is quite a significant drop off. We have 2.52 which would translate to about $252 in sales 5 weeks later. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.